While Green Card Lottery presents a unique opportunity to get a permanent residency in the US, it also presents some downside and challenges. The Green Card Lottery is very competitive and only about 0.1% chance is present in this event. The last year, Diversity Lottery drew about 20 million people for only 55 green cards available in the lottery, which makes it about 0.28% chance to get a win in the lottery. However, the chance is much lower than that because there are other obstacles and difficulties on the way to get the residency in the US. Now compare 0.1% and 90% chance of getting approved for certain visa in the US. Today, I'm going to address these issues and how to increase your chances of getting the work visa or green card in alternative to the Diversity Lottery. Let's go! Hello, my dear friends. I'm Stanislav Shamaev, a licensed business immigration and corporate attorney in Miami, Florida. Today, we're discussing the issue of green card lottery chances and obstacles and alternative to this event. What are the main risks associated with the V lottery? Number one, very low odds of being selected. Like I said, my projection is below 0.1% in this event because it's not enough to only be selected. That does not guarantee you the green card, but also you have to be below 30,000 number to get the green card itself. Also, right now, there are more obstacles like $1 registration fee, which some of you guys cannot even access to because you don't have the bank account, you don't have the credit cards, you don't have enough money to pay to the attorney to make this $1 payment, or you may be from a sanctioned country. So that brings those chances down. Number two, it's very seasonal. If you miss that 1 month registration, usually in October or November of a particular year, you then have to wait for another year for the next year green card lottery. Number three, it's completely random. Your skills, your education, your achievements, your business recognition, and other things are not accounted. So you may be a good professional in your field, but you are on the same line with people who have no education, who have no achievements, no recognition, no business. So that makes things equal for everybody participating, but it does not give you a bonus for your career. And number four, stemming from number one, winning in the lottery does not guarantee the green card itself. For the reasons mentioned above, and also when you go to the embassy, they're gonna do the background check, they're gonna see if you have any criminal history, if you have a moral character issues, or just other things that can make you inadmissible to the US. And also, a timing is very important. If you forgot to file the paperwork, if you didn't do things in time, that may disqualify you in this case. So, if a green card is a gamble, what are other real alternatives to this event? Let me guys give you 4 viable options that you may use instead of green card lottery. Option number 1, and guys, right now, this is hands down the best visa possible for anyone to come to the US, and this is O1 Talent Visa. And I understand that you may not consider this visa because you think that you are not talented, but the talent in the US has a particular measure, and that measure is the criteria. Okay, so we have 8 criteria: awards, judging the work of others, press about you, professional associations, contributions in the field, critical leading role in a company with distinguished reputation, significantly higher pay, and academic articles. Okay, so we have to prove only 3 criteria out of these 8 to get you O1 visa. And also, the issue with the employer may be resolved through you registering your company in the US that will play a role of your employer or an agent. and we can guide you through that process. So the bottom line qualification for this visa is the 3 to 5 years of experience. Okay, and why I'm talking about experience when experience is not a part of the criteria? Because those criteria, guys, kind of grow out of this 3 to 5 years experience. So if you have that in your field, in your industry, let me tell you, you will have a good foundation to improve on your case using our resources, using our PR agencies, using our vendors, our projects within the company, and following my strategy and methodology. If you guys want to know your chances for O1 visa, the link for free evaluation is below this video. Click on the link, do that free evaluation questionnaire, and within 2 days I will get back to you. Look for the award potential. Option number 2, EB1A, a green card for the talent. And this is the elder sister of O1 visa. Same criteria. We also have to prove only 3 out of the 10. There's 2 more for art industry. And of course, those are 2 different animals, same criteria, but different ways to look at them. Okay? For EB1A, we must have deeper and with more quality criteria. All right? Also possible. Actually, EB1A is #1 visa in my practice for 10 years. I received hundreds upon hundreds upon hundreds approvals for EB1As, and if you compare O1 and EB1A chances of approval, O1 is 99% when you work with my corporation and 90% plus for EB1A. Okay, because this is a green card, of course it's more serious case, but still 9 out of 10 with getting approvals. If you want to know whether your EB1 case has potential, do the same thing. Get a free evaluation on the link below this video, fill out the questionnaire, and let me know what your achievements and recognition in your career are. And of course, EB1A is probably anywhere between 5 and 10 years of experience is a good bet. Anything above 10 years of experience is a really good bet, okay? So get that free evaluation right now to know your chances and potential. Option number 3, EB2 NIW. And this is on the 3rd place because of the timing that we spent on this visa, okay? O1 is about 8 months. EB1A is about 1.5 years. EB2 NIW is about 2.5 years, okay? And this one requires formal education, higher education, in certain cases some experience in your field, and most importantly, what you are offering to the US government to do with your life and your project when you come to the US, okay? So if you propose something that will boost US economy, finance, innovation, technology, sports, art, culture, then this visa is for you, okay? So EB2 NIW on the 3rd place. Number 4, EB5. Okay, why it's number 4? Because it requires at least $800,000 investment in the US economy, and usually it's a passive investment. When you loan your money to the US developers accredited by the US government, they build, they create the jobs, you getting the green card for yourself and your family. Okay, you also should do the free evaluation for the last 2 options with the same link below this video. So guys, do not bet on a dead horse. Do not rely on it. Of course, participate in the lottery, there's no problem with that, but bet on the strong cases like O1, EB1A, EB2 NIW, or EB5 if you have that capital. Smash the like button if you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I also have Instagram, Telegram, TikTok, Facebook, and other social media platforms. My name is Stanislav Shamayev. I'm a lawyer of the future. Your future begins here. Good luck.